Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another series of adulteration tests in an edible oil in which we are going to perform an experiment, that is your detection of cotton seed oil in a edible oil. Okay, see, first of all, before starting this experiment, we have to know that what is this adulterants are. So simply, the adulterants are the substance which are added into a food product or eliminate the ingredient of the food product so that the quality of that product decreases and the quantity of the product are increases. Even the nutritional value of the product are also decreases due to the addition of the adulterant into the food product. Now this adulterant also cause a adverse health effect on into the human body. Like sometimes this health effect are life threatening. That's why it is very important to detect that adulterant into the food product and eliminate it from the food product. And the process at which the adulterants are added into the food product called a adulteration. Here we have a sample that is called a oil, that is your sample in which we are going to detect the cotton seed oil. Okay, this cotton seed oil are contain trans fat, and we all know that this trans fat are not good for the health of the human being. It causes a cardiovascular disease, it raises the blood pressure. That's why it is very important to detect this. Even there is a traces of the pesticides are also present into a cotton seed which are very harmful. Now this cotton seed oil are added into the edible oil to maintain its stability and neutral flame and also maintain a longer shelf life. Okay, so the reason behind the addition of the cotton seed oil into the edible oil is what? To extend the shelf life of the edible oil. But that cotton seed oil contain a trans fat, and this trans fat are not good for the health of the human being. It is the reason of the cardiovascular disease. That's why we have to eliminate that cotton seed oil from the edible oil. Even this uh, cotton seed contain a gossypol compound which are toxic in nature, which are toxic in nature. So for performing this experiment, we required this setup. Okay, so we required what? Oil as a sample, and we required a hot water, and we also required a chemical that is called a halfin solution. Okay, now how we prepared this halfin solution? For the preparation of the halfin solution, we required two chemicals. One is your amyl alcohol and another is your precipitated sulfur 1% weight by volume solution. So first of all, we have to prepare the precipitated sulfur 1% weight by volume solution. So for the preparation of this, what we have to do, we take a 1 gram of the sulfur and we have to dissolve it into a 100 ml of the carbon disulfide, that is called as C2S, carbon disulfide. Now after preparation of these two reagents, we have to prepare a halfin solution. So for this we required amyl alcohol and the precipitated sulfur 1% at the ratio of 1:1. That means that if we take a 1 ml of the amyl alcohol, then we required a 1 ml of the precipitated sulfur. After that, this this reagent are prepared. Now for performing this experiment, what we have to do, we have to take a 5 ml of the oil. In the place of the oil, you can also take a some other like ghee, but it should be into a melted form. Then we added a 5 ml of the halfin solution. The amount of the sample and the amount of the halfin solution should always in a same range. That means that if you take a 2 ml of the oil, then you have to take a 2 ml of the reagent. But here what we have to do, we take 5 ml of the oil sample and 5 ml of the this reagent solution, then we mix it very properly. Then after that, we kept it inside the water bath at 100 degree, sorry, at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, so that all the carbon disulfide are boiled off and foaming occur. Okay, until the foaming occur, we don't remove this beaker from the hot water bath. Okay, then after that we place this beaker inside the oil bath or a brine bath, and the temperature of the oil bath and the brine bath is in between 100 to 110 degree Celsius. Sorry, 110 to 115 degrees Celsius, and we kept it into the oil bath or a brine bath for a 2.5 hours. Then after that we observe the color. If we get a red color, then it means that our edible oil are adulterated with that cottonseed oil. Okay, now what we have to do, first of all we have to take a sample. Now we require 5 ml sample, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after that we have to take a 5 ml reagent. This is your reagent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now mix it properly. You can also use a shaker for the mixing it, and if you are performing it into the test tube, then you have to mix it by using a vortex. Now what we have to do, we keep it into the water bath at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, and occasionally we shake it until all the carbon disulfide are boiled off and foaming are occurred. Then again what we have to do, we kept it into the oil bath or a brine bath for 2.5 hours. Okay, so we will see the result after 2.5 hours, that the color are appear or not. Now I am going to keep it inside the water bath. After removing from the water bath, I kept it inside the oil bath or a brine bath. So we will see the result after 2.5 hours. Now after keeping it into the water bath, then after keeping it into the oil bath or a brine bath, and it leave it for a 2.5 hours, then after that we will see the result. See, there is no development of the color. If the red color are developed, that it indicate that the presence of the cotton seed oil into our sample. But here the color are not developed. That means that it does not contain any cottonseed oil. Okay, so this is all about the detection of the cottonseed oil in an edible oil. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you are free to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.